Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. So let's take a look at some of the large conglomerates on the Jamaica Stock Exchange and their financial results. For the year ended December 31, 2025, Victoria Mutual Investments reported consolidated revenue of $2.36 billion and net profit of $165.9 million. Speaking at the company's 9th annual general meeting held on Thursday, June 4, Chief Executive Officer Resworth Burchison reported that total assets increased by 15.1% to $35.06 billion, while underlying profit grew by 24.1% year over year after adjusting for the impact of a one-time gain recorded in 2024. And I quote, "It was not an easy year," end quote, said Burchison. He continued, "Economic growth was largely flat. The average Jamaican public equity stock declined by close to 15%. Treasury bill yields continued to decline, and we saw volatility across both bond and equity markets. Despite those conditions, we continued to execute on our strategy," end quote. Next, we look at the JMMB Group Limited, which has reported a net profit of $1.87 billion for the financial year ended March 31, 2026. Commenting on the results, Patrick Ellis, Chief Financial Officer of JMMB Group, stated, "Our results reflect strong underlying performance across our core operations driven by growth in net interest income, increased foreign exchange activity, and the continued expansion of our fee-based income streams. Importantly, we have improved our operation efficiency, strengthened our balance sheet, and enhanced our cash generation, positioning the group for sustainable long-term growth." And finally, for the year ended December 31, 2025, Jamaica Producers Group Limited reported consolidated net profit attributable to shareholders of $2.3 billion, representing a 42% increase over the $1.6 billion recorded in 2024. Speaking at the company's recently held annual general meeting, Jamaica Producers Chairman Charles Johnston highlighted another year of strong financial performance and strategic progress, driven by the continued growth of Pan Jamaica Group Limited, in which Jamaica Producers remains the single largest shareholder. For the trading period of June 5, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 9,388,541 units, representing 33.33% of market sales activity. Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 6,384,296 units, representing 22.66% of market sales activities. The Limnas and Bards Limited with 3,989,801 units, representing 14.16% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation, distribution, and advertising plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for June 8, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. The US dollar saw trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $157.04 and buying at $158.51. The Canadian dollar saw a moderate gain supported by 72 cents transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $114.01 and was bought for $113.29. The British pound saw continued volatility, offering short-term trading opportunities of $1.97 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $211.23 and was bought for $209.26. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, what if I told you that your next vacation, conference, or business trip could be funded by money you're already spending? Most people think of credit as a way to borrow money. Successful consumers and business owners understand something different. Credit can be a tool that creates opportunities. When used strategically, your credit score, credit report, and credit cards can work together to help you earn travel rewards, reduce travel expenses, and unlock experiences that might otherwise seem out of reach. It starts with your credit report. Think of your credit report as your financial resume. Then your credit score creates access. Your credit score is more than just a number. It can determine whether you qualify for travel cards. With this strategy, you can turn everyday spending into travel experiences. In our funded and focused features, let's look at the 5 funding blocks that hold small businesses back. Many entrepreneurs believe their biggest challenge is finding money. In reality, the problem is often that their business is not yet positioned to attract funding. Here are the 5 most common barriers standing between small businesses and the capital they need to grow. 1, weak financial management. If you cannot clearly show your revenue, expenses, profits, and cash flow, lenders and investors will struggle to trust the business. Accurate financial records are the foundation of funding readiness. 2, poor credit positioning. Credit tells a story about how you manage financial obligations. Whether personal or business related, a weak credit profile can significantly reduce your financing options. 3, no defined funding purpose. Businesses often ask for money without a clear plan of how much is needed, how much will be used, and what return it will generate. Capital flows to strategy. 4, limited banking and funding relationships. Too many business owners only contact financial institutions when they need a loan. Building relationships with lenders, investors, and support organizations before you need funding can open doors when opportunities arise. 5, lack of formal business structure. Operating without proper registration, tax compliance, business banking, and documented systems can make your business appear risky. Formal businesses are generally better positioned to access loans, grants, and investment capital. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.